Okay. Hello, my friends, if it means now I am here in Italy, Rome, with this lovely couple, Steve and Chutisa Bowman.
Hi everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Hi. So they are from Australia, and I'd like you tell me how access consciousness changed your lives.
So we first started being with access consciousness about 19 years ago. And the main thing that's changed in our life is the awareness of some of the tools that we now have that enable us to be who we are today.
Well, access stimulate and inspire me to live my life with conscious awareness. I made the choice to make the commitment to totally be everything that I could be, whether in my work, in my life, in my relationship. So access consciousness has amazing tools that allow me to fully embody them and be the greatness that I could truly be.
And it starts with the bars. We have a lot of practitioners of bars now in Brazil. Is growing
You have
so
many
much.
thousands.
Yes, you have.
Good Brazil.
What's the invitation that bars can be to the people that doesn't know about bars?
Well, for the people who it's everyone, at least it's make you feeling at ease, relaxed, and stressless. For people who haven't been exposed to bars before, but bars can do so much more for you.
What about the foundation? Because we have also bars facilitators, and they can choose to do the foundation now. I am CF people, and we have more other CFs in Brazil now, after Rome.
It's brilliant.
This training.
Well, the foundation literally provides you with the foundations and the tools that everything else is built upon. So it enables you to look at things from a different point of view, gives you some of the foundation tools that enable you to actually be in allowance, to have no point of view, to be in the question, body processes, a whole range of different things. And the main thing it does is it invites you to get over the limitations that you've actually created for yourself.
So to finish, I'd like you could give to the Brazilian audience one tool of access consciousness. What's your tool?
My favorite tool that I use in my life and in my businesses is no point of view. To have no point of view about what other people think, and to have no point of view about what I think. And that to me is one of the most powerful tools.
How does it work to the people use it in their lives?
So if you have no point of view, then you're willing to be with what is without putting a filter on it. And so people can say anything to me, and I have no point of view about what they're saying, which means that I can actually listen, and then it gives me different choices and great ease when I'm dealing with people.
Your life is more easy.
Life is a lot easier. My life is much easier, and it also enables my wife and I, we've been married 43 years, it enables us to actually really enjoy being with each other every second of the day.
And for you, Chutisa, what's your favorite tool of access consciousness?
For me, to never function in conclusion, projection, expectation, and judgment. If you can go through a life without conclusion, your life will expand and grow with ease.
Can you tell just one more thing to my audience? You are married for how many years?
43 years.
43 years.
Mhm.
Can people know one more tool to have a good relationship?
Every day we destroy and uncreate our relationship together, so that every day it's like being with a new person. There is no history, and that means that every day it's a choice that we choose to be with each other.
Long life for your marriage.
Thank you.
And thanks to this interview. Okay, if you like this interview, share in your social medias and give him a okay.
Thank you, Brazil.
Bye bye. You need to come there. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.